The best dishwashers for 2020. The best dishwasher, Bosch 300 Series SHSM63W55N. Why we picked the Bosch 300 series. Outside of the attractive profile and stainless steel design, the Bosch 300 series is quieter than a lot of the competition and has adjustable racks that make it easy to fit even the oddest shaped pots and pans. The dishwasher has 3 racks with 16 place settings and powerful jets that remove cooked-on food. There's a filter near the bottom of the machine that can be washed out when the cycle is done, preventing buildup and protecting your dishwasher from that all-too-familiar wet food stink. There are 5 different wash options to choose from, including auto wash and a 1-hour wash cycle. At only 44 decibels, the Bosch 300 series can keep your dishes sparkling clean without generating a ton of noise. With the sub $1,000 price point, it offers top-tier performance at a mid-tier price. The best cheap dishwasher, Frigidaire FGID2466QF. Why we picked the Frigidaire dishwasher. The Frigidaire may lack a lot of bells and whistles, but it makes up for it with solid performance and a low price point. The control buttons are hidden, which gives the dishwasher a cleaner look and helps prevent any accidental activations. The Frigidaire has 12 places settings and an adjustable upper rack that helps accommodate even longer glassware. One feature the Frigidaire has that other budget-level dishwashers do not is the high-temperature sanitation cycle, as well as the DishSense and AquaSurge systems. These 2 systems work in conjunction with one another to adjust the force and amount of water to ensure your dishes come out clean each time. There are 8 different cycles to choose from, as well as a heated dry option. Unfortunately, the only smart feature is limited to the ability to delay the start of a wash cycle for up to 24 hours. With a $430 price point, the Frigidaire is one of the most affordable dishwashers we've seen. The best drying dishwasher, Thermador DHDW870WFM. Why we picked the Thermador. Even if your dishwasher cleans your dishes well, you probably won't be happy with your machine if it produces clean dishes that are still soaking wet when the cycle finishes. This Thermador machine might be expensive, but it is a monster at drying dishes. Your cups and plates come out without a single drop of water on them. How does it dry so well? Thermador's Stardry with zeolite technology adds an additional step after the drying cycle. Zeolite produces heat when it comes into contact with moisture, and the dishes come out bone dry. In addition to being an excellent drying dishwasher, the Thermador Star Sapphire also boasts star speed, which means you can wash your dishes in 20 minutes. On top of that, the dishwasher has an attractive interior glow of your color choice when paired with Home Connect. It's called Star Glow. The best cleaning dishwasher, LG QuadWash LDP6797ST. Why we picked the LG QuadWash. With 4 cleaning arms instead of 2, this dishwasher is an impressive performer that is quiet and features adjustable racks. When we read in the LG guide that we should put dirty dishes directly into the dishwasher without rinsing, we said, "Oh, it's on." We smeared plates with condiments and let them dry, then put them all in the QuadWash. To our surprise, the dishes came out sparkling clean, even when we ran them in the turbo cycle. The dishwasher is quiet. So quiet, in fact, that we could barely tell it was running. Tiny indicator lights just below the handle gave us an inkling, but we still accidentally opened it a couple of times. This dishwasher features 3 racks, one small one for cooking utensils and knives on the top, a middle rack for bowls and glasses, and a bottom rack for larger items. All 3 racks are adjustable in case your glasses are taller or you want to wash a large pot on the bottom rack and need more room. The best for the price, Ferrowheel 507 electric toothbrush. Why you should buy this. The Ferrowheel 507 mimics the high-end features of more advanced electric toothbrushes while boasting impressive battery life and an ADA-certified rounded brush design. Who's it for? Folks that don't want to break the bank but still want a solid toothbrush. Why we picked Ferrowheel 507 electric toothbrush. The new kid on the block, Ferrowheel is still the underdog next to decades-old champs like Philips and Oral-B. This time around though, the OGs should be watching their backs. The 507 lineup, available in black, white, and pink, rocks a slew of impressive features and comfortable brush design, all at super affordable prices. Ferrowill's rapid-fire micro-brushing technology delivers a month's worth of manual brush strokes in under 2 minutes, giving you an ADA-approved cleaning like you'd get at the dentist. Speaking of months' worth, the 507's long-lasting battery will last an entire 30 days on just one 4-hour charge, which makes it an easy bet for traveling, or for those of us who forget to plug our brushes in. Rounded out by 5 different brushing modes and an ultralight design, the Ferrowill makes for one of the most affordable options out there for great performance at unbeatable prices.